slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, what's up, Danny?
What's up, Steven? How we doing tonight?
All right, hey, everybody. How are you doing? Gold making new lows, S&P and NASDAQ making new highs here. How's everybody here? I'm going to short some S&Ps up here, actually, here. I short some here, 72. I'll be shorting some here, 72 up to like 77. NASDAQ, I'll be shorting 62 up to like the 82 range. Danny, did you see what happened today?
On what?
The NASDAQ and S&Ps. Did you guys see what happened today?
I did.
So this was the calm before the storm right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see this? S&Ps were trading nicely, calmly, 65 and a quarter, and they got absolutely kabooshed down to 36 and a quarter, down 29, and then rallied 26 in 25 minutes. Do you see that?
I did.
That was absolutely a kabooshing of a lifetime. Unbelievable. 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 Gold had nothing but shorts all day today. If you look at the GLDs, you can see every new high here was running into a brick wall right here with these 60-minute MACDs non-confirming. Right now, gold, I'd probably look to buy this gold between the 24.5, 25.5 to 30.5 range. This gold's going to turn. There it goes. Oh, my God. Look at them rally. Go get him, Zacharuch. Get in there, Zachary. Get in there, Zach. Oh, my God. The minute I said look to buy him, boom. All right. All right. All right. All right. Sold some S&Ps here. Let me see here. Yeah. Short a bunch here. All right. How's everybody doing tonight? Hope everybody's doing well. All right. The minute I said look to buy the gold just shot right up. You see that? I knew that. Yeah. Zachary, hope you're getting in there, Zacharuch. Zachary. How is everybody tonight? How is everybody tonight here? Everybody doing good? I still would buy this gold. Silver loves the Asian Open. You ain't kidding. The silver loves the Asian Open. You ain't kidding. You ain't kidding. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. You ain't kidding. Let's see what the Asian Open did on silver. Some really great bear. Oh, my goodness gracious, silver. 36. Oh, my God. 15 cents on silver. All right. How'd everybody do today? Fill the coolers.
I'll tell you how I did just now. I just closed my trade.
1,800?
But I'm up $1,000 on two accounts right now.
On what? Short the gold? Short the S&Ps?
No, long the NASDAQ when it was at, what was this, 611?
Okay, you kicked it out?
I just got out, yeah. But so when it came down to 611, I got into a buy, and I rode it all the way to where it's at right now, which is, or 670. I rode it to 670, and I got out.
At ICT NGL, my friends in New York are telling me it was 11 degrees today. It's Christmas in December. So we had, hey, Denny, so verified, we had about 1,890 people right at the end, verified. And then Aaron had another 600 with our group.
So we had about, what, 2,400 people then overall? That's pretty good.
Yep, I'm flat the S&Ps. I just covered S&Ps below 72 if you're short. NASDAQ looked to cover below 61. I just went with my daughter. We have a ritual, my daughter and I, Denny. This is something you're going to remember one day. Me and my daughter just went to go. We do this every year, my daughter and I. Ever since she's been 6 years old, we go pick out a Christmas tree together. What a joy! What anybody short the S&Ps or Nasdaq? I would lower you. Good job, Julian. Get in there. Good job. All right. We what I said to my daughter, it's a full moon here, Denny, and I said it's a beautiful night to go get a Christmas tree, and she said, "Let's go, Dad." Look at that, Denny. Do you know how to short?
You said what?
Do you know how to short?
Do I know how to short?
Yeah.
You're talking about scalping?
No, short. Like that was a good short pattern.
Well, yeah. Well, I mean, most of the time I stick on the 5-minute time frame, but when I'm scalping, yeah, I know how to short and I know when to long. Because the first thing I learned when it came to trading was how to scalp.
Yeah. Well, I love scalping though, but anyway. Now, with that being said, that was a nice draw. Anybody get the short in the Nasdaq and S&Ps up there? Hi, KM7214. How are you? Covered MES. Good job. Sleeting in Tennessee? No, bro. Argentina. Wow. S&Ps. Let's see here. Let's see if you get this push up on the gold. The gold was a nice push up when it pushed up to 34.35. Right into the negative MACDs here. The silver just got kabooshed. All right, let's see if you get one more push up on the S&Ps here, and I mean on the gold. All right, if you're long the gold, just kick these out at 31 or high, 31 to 33 here. I should have. If gold reverses to sell here on the 15, you gotta look to short every rally here. You can see gold right here. Boom. Gold reversing to sell on the 15. You got to look where they push up to just now. 34. I was thinking 35, 35 and a half there. How is everybody tonight? Good evening, NQ Sniper. Jawline. How are you? Luca Rocha. How are you? Mr. 2 Dunn. Tory Trades. How are you? How is everybody? All right. TradingView killed me again today. Blew my funded account. You all got any of them giveaways? How did TradingView blow your account? Blame it on the technology, right? American Shades. Okay. Gotta buy some of this gold here. Just for a scalp. Trade some gold. I sell this gold between the 30 and 31 if you're long. Yeah. How's everybody today? His mouse got stuck. Oh, we were laughing all day today. Look at the pencil up in gold. Stark got 73 and a quarter down to 70. On the S&P short, good job. Good job, Zacharuch. Mikey Jacques. Get in there, Mikey Jacques. How are you? Gold flowing. Gold looks like it wants to get kabooshed. Gold's got a pencil down. Congo trade. So today when the S&Ps got kabooshed, I'm telling you, did they ever get kabooshed? I'm telling you right now, it was a kabooshin. It was an absolute kabooshin. Absolute kabooshin. Did anybody... Are the coolers filled? I don't know. If you took the shorts on the Nasdaq and S&P, they should be. All right. Anybody? Vagay Gazan. Hey, my Armenian Guba. How are you? My Armenian cousin. How are you? I would be buying gold here for a scalp long. I said 24.5 to 30.5 range. And then look to sell out anywhere. I said 30 to 31.5 if it gets up there. Raphael Trades, how are you, Raphael? Let's see if this gold can get a push up here. ICT, how are you? All right, excited to be here. Fred Styles, there's Freddie. I met Fred today. All right, let's see here. Can I ask a question, a serious question to everybody here? How many people seriously trade off the DOM versus the ladder? I mean, trading off the charts. Can anybody give me a handle here on this, please? I just want to. How many people? If you trade with the DOM, press a 1, please. If you trade on the chart, play a 2, please. I just don't understand how anybody can trade on a chart. Okay. Hey, Wink, how are you? Dom, me, not me. I don't know how to. Well, you got to practice. Okay. Chart. Oh, my God. ICT trader. All right. I just think that there you go. I just bought gold 24.5, sold it right out. Boom. All right. Just scalping longs here. You guys trade on a chart. Don't you think trading on a ladder is a little bit better? Okay. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's me, but today was my best day. Stephen DC day since I left the floor as a pit trader on my New York board of trade. Learned 2 months was more than I learned 25 years on the floor with Stephen. Thanks a lot. Stephen, good job. Thank you very much. Well, you know, a lot of floor traders come to me here, gold turning negative on the 50. Can you wait for a bounce to short? Yes, Ragav. We wait for a short. Absolutely. If the 15s reverse, you got the negative MACDs. On this push up, Ragav, you see this here? Well, gold push up to 34. I was looking for shorts here. Okay. I was looking for shorts here. Okay. 35 and a half, 36, but we never really got it. Okay. All right. Okay. I look at TradingView chart to jump onto the broker website and request quote manual press com. Correct. Okay. Every same thing, let me cook. What? Every day, same thing, let me cook. All right. All right. All right. Captain Price, 40%. I don't get what he's saying, but I guess. All right. I would sell this gold out 28 up to 30 and a half if you're long. Okay. What am I doing? What is this short one? What are you crazy? Just I cancel all my offers. I don't get it. All right. All right. Anybody get the long down there? Just trade up to 29 and a half on the gold, 28 and a half. I see. Let's cry together. No more crying. There's no crying in trading. Lions and Cowboys. Go Lions. Go Lions. How is everybody today? How is everybody? We can look for a short up here. Okay. Biggie. Can't you see? S&P's running all over me. Wow, that was crazy today. Was that crazy on these S&Ps? This was absolutely wild. In 20 minutes, 29 down. Insanity. And look at this. 29 down and 26 up. Got any terms for Texas? Yeah. There's nothing better than to see you in a good, healthy, with energy. Thank you, Zil, for my brother from Finland. Up 4,000. Use of farm style life. Good job. Hey, Zil, how cold is it in Finland right now? Okay. How Denny, we gonna get some music in the background here, like in the future, or what do you think? Am I expecting a Thursday high in Nasdaq? I don't know.
Maybe.
Just trade what you see, really. 200 on that gold long heat. Hey, heat. There you go.
Even your bestie is here.
Who's that? Let me
Barbie.
see. Who?
Barbie.
Where's Bo Barbie? Bo Barbie is in the house. Bo Barbie. There you go. Bo Barbie. Yeah. It's flipping negative. Now we look for shorts. Okay. So as my good friend to my left just stated to me, that the gold reversed to sell on the 15-minute time frame, as Ragav has also indicated, and it correlated with its well, let me see, it correlated with its 60 right here. So now you have what's called a sell disconnect, but you got to be careful. These 60s are getting overbought, so we want to wait for some type of a bounce to get short. I'm not shorting them on the lows. No way. No way.
15 is oversold.
Yeah, 15's oversold, so is the 60, but I got to wait patiently here. Got to wait patiently. Anyway, how is everybody tonight? Everybody, welcome Bull Barbie here. Everybody, welcome Bull Barbie. How's so a lot of you, it looks like you're trading on the chart. Okay. Well, what about indicator 3 on the gold? It's getting oversold. Yes, but if you look at gold, okay, look at his negative MACDs here on the 5. The ADXs are rising on the 15, Bull Barbie. Okay. The negative MACD, the ADXs are rising. I'm looking for a short here, a bounce to get short. Okay. If you're from Inglewood, Florida, I never even heard of Inglewood, Florida. I'm in Jupiter, Florida. Anybody wants to text me, 914-500-7484. All right. Well, 17 after today, 17 more days till the end of the year. Man, this year, poof. How about March and April? 48.32 was came in 49.32, and I wrote on my Twitter, I said I'd buy the world. That in Bitcoin. SK, my mouse is stuck, keeps adding micros. Oh my gosh, hysterical. I wish you guys can see what one of my guys wrote. He designed a t-shirt. When I saw this morning, I laughed so hard I got a pain on my side. Christopher made a t-shirt up that was unbelievable. Unbelievable. You're close to Boca? Wait, so you're in Boca or Sarasota's north of me? SK robot mode. Oh yeah. Let's see here. You caught the gold long. Good job. Oh, you caught the gold short. Yes. This was the short today, right around right here, around the 720 time period, right here, trading around the 46 level. You were pushing up here. You can see here into the negative MACDs. All right. Again, I'm looking for a push up on the gold. If you're long here, I'd be scaling out the longs here. Okay. All right. Jupiter, Florida. Raphael trades. Yes, I've been here for the May will be 5 years. Okay. But I've been coming here for the last Stevens 20 for the last 13. Okay. You made 1,300, chicken trader. Lost all the money now from trading all the day and last night. Lost all the money now trading all day today and last night. What happened, Dan? What happened? Jose, happy birthday, whoever Jose is. Okay, silver can be ugly. Bogger. Yes, I agree. Silver, you better long here. What? S&Ps or gold? No, I'm looking for shorts in gold. Chicken, I lost an account. Okay. All right. I lost a chicken. All right. I don't know what you guys are doing. All right. So welcome, everybody. All right. Today's a final night for the week. All right. Again, so when you see a negative MACD like this, the 15's reversing to sell on indicator 4, correlating with the 60. You see the rising ADX here. We're looking for shorts. This gold here, okay, I knew this gold was a short here today, right around the 730, 720, 715. And I mean, it dropped here about 5 or 6. I never expected it to do this. But now I'm looking for a push up. Okay, this week has been very tough to trade. The sideways chop has been very frustrating. I don't know. I thought there was some really good patterns today. No music. It's distracting. Okay, I take that recommendation. I take that recommendation. Anybody here from the state of Florida? Anybody? You guys should. Anybody wants to pop in? Let me know one day. Connor, how are you from Australia, my brother? Hope you had an amazing day, bro. Happy birthday, Jose. Happy birthday, Jose. No, I start Monday, Francis. Monday at 10:30 on MyFundedFutures. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. MyFundedFutures TV from 10:30 to 11:30. All right. S&Ps push gold. Come on. This gold's got to get above 30. Scroogy's here and now gone. Good. He says hello and then good night. Okay. Might get to 30. I think it might. Hey, Captain Phillips, might go a little higher. Steven, I'm going to Florida in March. Can my 4-year-old come click the buy sell button for you? No, but you can. I'm not letting a 4-year-old click my live accounts here. This is not, maybe on a demo account, but not on a live account. A lot of moolah on there. Okay. Can you imagine this kid go completely crazy and go postal on me? On a paper account, why not? Have fun. You ever give Goozy, was it Boozy stop loss? How's it going? Hey, I'm here. Scroogey, don't leave, Scroogey. Okay. Don't leave. What does gold just get up to? All right, 28.5. If you're long down here, I'd be scaling out the longs, I hope. Today, I swear to God, when they were dropping like that today, no romper room. I was about to say that, Lil Roo, actually. All right. So when you see the markets do what it did today, I literally had no emotion, right? No emotion. How did anybody see that volatility? How did everybody do during that? Here, come on, gold, get above 30. I'm right here. Artan, I think he's chilling. He's chilling. He's in the Christmas spirit. Artan will be here. He's flying into on Monday to see him. He's spending a week with me. Then his 18th birthday. Then they got you at 18. Oh my God.
Hey, I like being that young.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? No background music. I agree. I could just sing randomly. You're my blue sky, you're my sunny day. Lord, you know what makes me high when you turn your love my way. Turn your love my way. Dickie Betts, Allman Brothers. All right. All right. All right. So we're going to do a raffle today at 9:45. This gold right here got up to 29.5. It should get up to 31, 33 maybe. Look for some shorts here. All right. All right. All right. Anybody new here tonight? If anybody new, I do offer a 5-day free trial to my live stream, 8:30 to 4. It's a pretty amazing. There it goes, the gold. I told you it's going to get up to 30.5. Look at this, 30, above 30. Just ran off that low. Within the range, again, of course, I'd be exiting longs. If this gold gets up to, let's see here, negative like these was a moving average, 31.5, 32, 32, up to 37. I'd look to short it here. All right. Oh my God, that might have been it. 3090. My favorite songs. Well, I'm really a Skynyrd guy, Allman Brothers band. I mean, that's the type of music I love. Oh man, come on, gold. Jesus. Give me that push up. All right, that might have been it. Ay, ay, ay. First bounce on the 5 minute. Oh, come on. Down 2. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. You caught the short?
I did.
Good job. You front ran me. All right. Allman Brothers is, you better believe it. Selling gold 32, 34 and a half. I don't know if it gets up there. Well, I like to. This will be the first bounce on the 5 minute after the 15 correlated with the 60. I tried to get 31 and a half. The high's 30. Oh, my God. Just got kabooshed. Jesus. Kaboosh gold. Everybody welcome Charmonk. Charmonk. I haven't seen Charmonk. S&P gold just dropped 3. You got to be kidding me. You bastard. All right. Give me 3 steps. Give me 3 steps, mister. Give me 3 steps towards the door. And give me 3 steps. Give me 3 steps, mister. And you never see me no more. Hey, ND Paint is here. Fred's sister. There you go. How are you? I was cutting the rug and witchy woman from the Eagles. I've seen the Eagles so many times in my life. I actually was in Chicago when I heard that Glenn Fry died. And I was like, you got to be kidding me. I was freezing my tuchus off. I went upstairs and around 6:15, they announced that he had passed away. Glenn Fry. I literally had just seen him like 3 months ago, I think. I think every day is a good day. All right? I think every day is a good day. Every day you wake up, you're healthy, you're alive, you get to do something you love. Okay? The only thing is, don't be your own worst enemy. Don't revenge trade. Use stop orders. There are rules to the game. Boom. Okay? Again, everybody, welcome. Bull Barbie is in the house. Bull Barbie. Hope to be doing some great things with Bull Barbie. Saw Tom Petty about 3 months before he passed, and Joe Crow. Oh, really? Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. Dire Straits. Play the guitar. Hell yeah. They think I read somewhere that he is probably one of the top 8 guitarists ever. Ha! He's frustrated. My mouse got stuck. Bo Barbie, did you hear this one yesterday? I made money today, but it felt difficult. I don't think it should be that hard. Well, today was a hard one. I mean, especially after they got kabooshed. Okay. Hey, Steve, it's Aaron. How are you? Hi, Steve. It's Arton. Hey, Steve, it's Arton. That's not Arton, is it? Everybody, welcome Fred's sister. I hope she has a name, not just Fred's sister. Okay. We got to wait here. So Fred's sister wants to learn futures, and I'm going to teach her futures. Oh, my God, this afternoon. Bull Barbie, you have no idea. I was clicking away. I don't need... top 5. I read he was top 8, but I'll give him top 5. I'll give him top 5. Absolutely. Our time. Oh my God. What do I think of NASDAQ? They're not going to make this market go down to the end of the year. No, Jose's account didn't get kabooshed on his birthday. Come on. All right, Jose did not. How many people trade the S&Ps? How many people trade NASDAQ? And how many people trade gold during the U.S. session? Just covered the gold. What do you mean, you're short? If you covered the gold, that means you're short. If you're long, that means you exited the long. Okay. Arton's in California. I am in Jupiter, Florida. Hey, FOP 4444, how are you? NASDAQ's going where? NQ, NQ, NQ. Yep. All right. Gold just got kabooshed again. What was the high here? Oh, 31. You got to be kidding me. I was 31 and a half. Just dropped 3 again. Come on, bastard. What a bear flag. Anybody short the gold there? Candace had traded silver and almost had a heart attack. Hey, Candace, how you doing? Oh, my God. S&P is going to 77. I think you're right, but you get a pullback first. I said 31 and a half, I thought I said. But anyway, if you sold it, good, just lower your stops. Okay, you got the rising ADXs here. Okay, now you want to see something? Look at the S&P futures. Let me just show you this to you. Okay, you guys have to learn how to use the ADXs. You see the ADXs is rising here on the 5-minute time frame, the big buying pressure right here. What do you look to do? You buy pullbacks on the 3-minute. Here we go. 71.50. Here's 2. You scalp it. David, you got the short at 30.80. Good job, David. Just short the gold. It's Christmas in December. Where's the NASDAQ God? Candace, how are you? How are you freezing in New York, or did you sell your places and move to Florida? Or are you here just... Candace is a great person. I was cutting the rug in at a place called The Jug with a girl named Linda Lou. Ryan, Ryan, why are you always having internet issues? Ryan, Pac-Man's in the house. Christopher, where's the T-shirt? Chris, can you send that to me, and I'm going to send it to Denny? Can you text me that T-shirt? I got to show people your artwork. It's absolutely hysterical. I almost had a heart attack. Christopher, can you text me that picture? NASDAQ S&P's new highs. Shout out to Linda Lou. That's a true story. A lot of these stories that he wrote, okay, Muscle Shoals. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Show the ADX again, please. It's right in front of you. Pac-Man. Your artwork. Pac-Man, can you text me that picture? I'm going to send it to Denny. I need a laugh tonight. It's Thursday. I'm exhausted. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy Hanukkah, everybody. Enjoy every second of life and enjoy every second you're given. All right? The dancing in the moonlight story was very... What dancing in the moonlight? It's freezing in Chicago. I would say one word. Move. All right? Sean's from Indiana. I can't even think of how cold it is. If you're short this gold, I'd lower your stops here. Okay? God bless you all. Enjoy. Brr. That's it. Explain it. I'm going to. Okay? Thank you, cousin. All right. Denny, can you post this, Denny, if I send this to you? I got to send this to Denny. I don't know if he can post it in the chat. I don't know. Denny, can you hear me? Jesus, not it.
I can, but is there a way you send it to my... Okay, yeah, so you already sent it.
No, that's not it. That's not it. I sent you the wrong thing. Hold on.
Okay.
Biggie, can't you see? Let me see.
If you send it to my email, that makes it easier for me to share.
Oh, really? I'll send it to your email. I don't even have your email, do I? I don't even have your email. Text me your email, Denny. I don't even have it. All right, gold. I short this gold here again. 31 and a half, 31 and a half, up to 37 and a half here. 5-minute time frames getting up here. 32s.
That is a pretty funny picture. Okay.
You sent me your email, Denny?
Yeah, I'll send it to you. Yep.
I'll send this to you here. If you can post this. This is absolutely hysterical. Christopher, great job, Christopher. I saw this today, and I tell you, I had chest pains. Here, Denny, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Thank you, Aaron. All right. Let's see if this gold can drop here. Yeah, I heard
Ethan, I will.
What happened?
He said, Dingy says he is bald underneath the beanie, but in fact, he is hiding his long, silky wizard hair.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. Cover this gold below 30.5. Lower your stops. You short? That was beautiful on the gold. There goes the gold dropping. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? S&P range to buy? I got to wait. Got to wait for the 15s here. Oh, my God. How about now? How about the gold again at the end of the night? I called the short and it dropped like 35. Oof. Then he's in North Carolina. Ever seen Eddie Murphy and Vampire in Brooklyn? Denny has the same type of hair. Oh my God.
Guys,
Right.
Maybe one day I will not wear my beanie, but I promise you, I am from the military, so I am bald.
There you go. All right, so let's go back to this ADXs here. So I want to show you Tesla today. So if you know how to use the ADXs, okay, I want to show you the 60-minute time frame. Now, you really get this, though, but when you see a positive MACD, Bull Barbie, you see this here? Okay. Good job, overboard fishing. There you go. All right. So if you see this MACD positive, yellow over blue, the ADX is rising here. Look at the big buying pressure. Normally, anything greater than 10, but this was greater than like 28 at the time, 27, 28. When you get this oversold condition, you have three positive divergences. One, you're oversold into the positive MACD. Bingo, one. Oversold into the monster buying pressure. Oversold into the rising ADX. You're 3 for 3. Look at this thing drop rally, $8. And the other footnote here is if you see these yellow dots here, these yellow dots represent the price within the algorithm. And guess what? There's no way in hell they'd even break the moving average on the decline. And this is when the S&Ps were going from 65 to 36. And then they rallied from 36 and a quarter all the way up to 62 and a quarter. You want to talk? It's okay. All right. So there goes the gold off the 3-minute, just rallied about 2.5, 3. Okay. So again, when you have a rising ADX here like this, and you see the rising ADX on the 5-minute time frame, like you're seeing here on the S&P futures, okay? All right, you can see this move here. What do you look to do? You take the pullbacks off the 3-minute, Bull Barbie. Here it is, right here. Boom. Here's 1, 72, rally 2. Now, here's the other thing. The 30-minute time frame reversed the buy right here. Look at this gold. Who's short the gold? Lower your stops. The guy who bought 32.5, he jumped. Look at this. Look at this. You see that pattern, Bull Barbie? The 15 reversed to sell. The negative MACDs on the 15, the 60. It correlated with the 60. You take the short. Andrew Knapp. How's Peter doing, Andrew? He's not answering me. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. Again, all right. Okay. Nobody took that gold short. Gold's been going up. We just called a short. Yes, I called a long in the range, and I called a short. All right.
Steven,
anyway.
I have that picture ready now.
Post it. This is what my friend Christopher made last night 2 nights ago when I said, did anybody get that long? And one person said, or short, someone said, my mouse got stuck. I said, what? So we made a t-shirt out of it. All right, CJ, shorted it. Anybody new here, please sign up. Okay, up 230 on the gold. Okay. Did you post it, Denny?
I did. It's showing on the screen right now.
Oh, people, this is what my friend Christopher wrote. Okay. Look at this. All right. Anyway, gold's going to get cabooshed here. S&Ps and NASDAQ making new highs. Now, the only way, Bull Barbie, if to take advantage of the ADX when it's exhausted, you see this number here, 32? That represents the height of this. When this gets to 44, 45, 50, short the world. Because the ADX is eventually going to do this. Okay? Turn down. That means no trend is in place. Okay? S&P's gold down 4. You know that? That's like an old thing that I've learned. If the ADX rises here, this number, to like 45, 48, 50, 53, something like that, wherever they are, let them have them. Okay, because the ADX eventually will turn from up to down, so the right way to say this is ADX is rising and then ADX is off. Okay, that's the proper terminology for that.
Is that
okay?
on the 5-minute chart?
What's that?
Is that on the 5-minute chart you need to look?
5-minute time frame, yeah, or it could be on the 30-minute. God bless you. I had the 15-minute time frame one day at a 58, and I said I'm taking shorts up the yin yang, and about 12 minutes later, boom, 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 all the way down. On which time frame? On this one's on the 5, but I've had it even higher. Now, I've had it even higher on the 15. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. See, that's a set strategy, Bull Barbie, right there. I just shorted gold. What? No, why were you short gold here? I called the gold short into the moving average. You got to be patient with the short. You got to wait for the setup. We called the long here, 24.5 to 29.5, 30. It rallied. I said you're going to get a push up. Caught one short here, then the second short here. Okay, you wait. You don't short it here. I'm ready, Bull Barbie. You have no idea. Let's go. Let me see. Silver is a 45 on the 60. It's a 47. What do you mean? Oh, it's a 40. Yeah. So that means what I'm with silver right here, that this ADX, okay, that silver is going to be ready for a push up soon. Okay, that silver is going to be ready for a push up soon. Okay, because when this ADX turns off, that means the negative trend is going to be. Look at this gold down 5. Oh my God. Why didn't you stay short the gold?
I'm just scalping.
That wasn't a scalp. That was a pattern. I just told you you told me the 15 reversed to sell.
Yeah.
I said you short the one or two bounces into the moving out. So that's a pattern. That's not a scalp. If you want to short the S&Ps or the NASDAQ and you want to scalp the short under new highs, that's a scalp. That's a pattern. Come on, Julian. Let's go. Okay? David, I'm pissed. David, how do you mean you cover them at 30? You cover some at 30 and you lower your stop to 32, David. Jesus, come on. You know, you only get probably 4 to 8 great patterns a day. Okay? That's it. All right? Exactly. It's not a double red. It's a sell disconnect. The 15 correlated with the 60, right? Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? I know. Julian did a double. He didn't take the short appropriately. He covered too much like a scalp, and he said, I know. You know, you got 2 X's tonight. You know that, right? One more going in the bathroom. That's it. Andrew Knapp, Just covered the gold down 5. Good job, Andrew Knapp. Oh my God. Julian, sell disconnect. Scalp is shorting strength. Scalping is, basically you're just scalping in and out. I mean, a lot of money. Fired. No, oh my God. No, he's not fired. Oh my. Michael got fired. Yes. All right. No. Huh?
Michael might be watching the stream.
I know. Who cares? I still like him though. Will they still be streaming in 2026? Yes. Biggie. Can't you see?
SAPs are oversold over there.
Where? Oversold? They're making new highs. Oh, Julian, that's 0 for 3 now. All right, Julian. I gotta open up the ball of scotch, Julian.
Yeah.
Hendricks is home.
Would you still short it from there?
What's
Or
that?
just wait some more time on the S&P?
Let me see.
80. All the way from up to 80.
All right. So that was a nice little caboose on the gold. S&Ps are moving to new highs. I miss my Hendricks. He's such a good boy. I can't even tell you. Hi, Nicole. Everybody welcome Nicole. Fred's sister. Everybody welcome Nicole, please. Put a backup mouse on the Christmas list, please. Absolutely. Put a backup mouse. Wow, that's awesome. Well, I got to tell you, right? I got to tell you that, again, if you know how to trade with an ADX, okay, you see here, the ADX is rising on the 5-minute, okay, but you're still negative here on the 30, on the 60. Let's look at the 30. The 30, look at the MACD is positive here. Now, I want to show you something here. You see, where am I? You just see this here. Okay, you see this today, silver. Okay, this silver, oh my God, look at the gold. All right, got to short this gold soon. Wait till the 5. If this gold gets up to the 34.5 to 9.5, 40, I'd short it. Okay, now do you see this silver here? It made a new low right here, but the MACDs couldn't confirm the low on the 30-minute time frame. This is a monster long here. Okay. I don't know about being a great long. Gold had a lot of great patterns here. Kabooshed. I was 34.5. Come on. Yep. Didn't get there, though. I look like Steve Irwin. I'm exhausted. Gary needs a mouse repair kit. Oh, yeah. What about NASDAQ short? I don't know, man. If you want to scalp the short, you can go like 82.5 up to even and a half. But I would go wide. Look at this freaking gold, 34. Missed it by a half. Look at that. It just hit 34.5 and just dropped $4. You see how I was looking for that short? You can't, oh my God, Jesus, nothing worse than this. S&Ps, you can look to short here, probably 75.5 to 80.5 range. I would just scalp it. And wow, you see that gold here, the push up? No. Don't touch gold. So who said don't touch gold? I didn't say don't touch gold. How do you call the targets? 34.5. I'm looking at my oscillators. Only thing you're gonna have a problem here is this 60-minute time frame here. All right. Just ride the uptrend. Now, who says you're in an uptrend? What makes you opt for 34, 35? Well, I'm calling a range, right? I'm looking at my oscillator. The 15's reversed here. You can see it's the moving average. I'm thinking where these 15's are going to get overbought here into these negative MACDs here. Gold's been a great long. I don't know. Gold's been a great short too. All right. All right. Oh, man. All right. I'll cancel the short in the gold. Oil got kabooshed. Man, oil, this kid just... You know, if you're going to trade silver, you know, I got gold just dropped $4 just now. So somebody said to me once, how do you get your ranges, right? So I already know that the 15's reversed to sell, the negative MACDs here, right? And then you got the push up. I'm looking for the oscillator to get, if this oscillator gets overbought one more time and the indicator 3 gets overbought into this negative MACD, that's a monster bear flag right here. It's a monster bear flag. Okay, this is unbelievable. All right, and anybody out there, I do offer a 5-day free trial to sktrading.live. Every day from 8:30 to 4, 8:30 to 9, we do a pre-market analysis, and if there's an 8:30 number, we look to trade it. At 9 o'clock, from 9 to 9:30, I do a complete overview. I don't care. I just do it every single day for anybody who's new, but I do it. My methodology, how I arrived at it, how I look at my multiple time frames, looking at the indicators. I teach the chart overlay. I go over everything and everything during that 9 to 9:30. About 5 to 10 minutes before the market opens, I do look at stocks that I'm going to trade. Today, I shorted Coinbase, Apple. I mean, there was a bunch of things. Always kept on hearing order filled. Okay. Tonight, I had a great night after work. Fed Hendrix, and then met my daughter. We picked out a Christmas tree together. It was truly amazing. It's something we've been doing since I think she was 5 or 6 years old. And my daughter's now 20. What's Allie? 24. And I got to tell you, it was just, if you're a father, there's no greater joy than doing great things with your kids. I'll tell you right now. Okay. And all right, let's see if this Nasdaq and gold can S&Ps can get somewhat of a pullback here. All right, how many people think we're going to make all-time highs? You want to go long gold if it goes to 428? Okay, are you still in short? No, I traded it. No. I don't hold things overnight. Okay. Again, anybody who's new, who wants to join my live stream, you could join my live stream here. There's a 5-day free trial. NASDAQ, you can just look to cover 70 to 80 range. S&P 73 to 75 if it gets kabooshed. Let's see here. No, it's going down first. Short gold 37. I don't know. I want to see where the 15-minute time frames get overbought. How many people remember 2 nights ago when gold was trading 42, 57, 58, and someone said to me, "What do you think, Stephen?" And I said, I think they're going to get cabooshed. I said, "Good night, everybody," and gold dropped to 42.16. Tomorrow we have the PCE. Flow off top. These guys are greedy, so they can dump in March. Well, I think the market, here's the one thing you got to be, I think they're not going to let this market go down. Okay, I told you that for this year. They're not going to let this market go down. About a year ago, S&Ps were trading 5,600. And I said 6,500. People told me I was completely crazy. They did. And then when the market hit that March or April low, I said to everybody, I'd buy the world. Okay, I'd buy the world, right? And I swear to God, I'm not going to mention names or anything like that. I went on the internet that night and I saw so many people, 3,600, 3,200, one technician, world-renowned with trophies bigger than the Daytona 500 Cup, 2,800. I said, are these people on crack? This ain't happening. They're not breaking the 4,800 breakout level. Okay? All right. All right. Trading range Oz 1,200 to 1,500. Good job. You know you need it down by January 1st. 10-3 Lions over boys. Yeah, I love it. I love the Lions. Well, I got to tell you, so I think what's going to caboosh the market is when you least expect it. Okay. Is when you have the $12 trillion of our $37 trillion of debt coming due. And nobody. All right. And if you're watching me on my other socials like X, Instagram, and TikTok, please come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, SK Trading YouTube. And please come and join my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. And please subscribe. Okay. I think the market is going to get cabooshed. These gaps below the market, and I show these gaps to you all the time. Okay. And I'll show these gaps to you, and I'm going to minimize this a little bit here. Okay. This is the daily on the SPY. Okay. You have a gap here. This gap was filled. This gap might get filled right here. But let's look at the gaps to the downside. You have a gap here. You have a gap here. 65.80. Watch this. Ready? Okay. You have a gap here. 63.90, right? Let's look. Keep going. You have a gap here. 6,200. Ready? Let's keep going. Okay. Oh, look at this gap. This is a doozy. 6,000. Look at this. Okay. Look at this. You have a gap here. Where is this gap? It's a big one. Oh my God. Look at this gap. 56.80 on the S&P. Okay. Pit trades here can't trade without seeing the tape. Throughout your years, you gaps mostly tend to, I believe so. $2,000 to $3,000? I don't see that. SPY would never drop to that level. You'd be so. Who wants to make a bet that these gaps will get filled in 2026? Hey, Morocco Flozies. How are you? Greetings from Boca. Robert Aaron. Anybody from Florida, you should try to come and join me here. Brian remembers, I swear to God, I said 6,500 when the S&Ps were trading 56.80, 5,700. Okay. All right, if this gold gets up to the, I would say 34.80 to like 39.80, 40.80, I would look to short it. Again, if you're watching me on my other socials, on X, Instagram, and or TikTok, please come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, SK Trading YouTube. It would mean a lot. Okay, it would mean a lot. Okay, and yep. Oh wow, did the S&P, did gold get up to that level?
No.
Anyway, if it gets up to the 34.5 to 39.5, 40.5. Oh, what happened to my screen just now? Oh, what'd I do? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I hit the wrong button, like a chucha rule. Okay, like a chucha rule. All right. So let me go back to this thing here. I'm losing my mind here. It's late. All right. All right. And anybody, again, if you want to join me, I have a 5-day free trial here at SK Trading, 8:30 to 4 every day. How many people like that Pac-Man shirt? When I said back then, I can't give investment advice, I said I would back up the truck, buy everything. I remember that morning I had about 8 to 10 phone calls from 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the morning. Oh my God, President Trump, what did he do? He ruined us. My 401k. I said, cut it out. I said, cut it out, really. Okay. I said, where is it written that your 401ks are always going to be going up and protected? Right? I mean, they do this on purpose. The game is too big to fail, right? But because of all the funded pension. Oh my God, look at this gold. What did it get up to? 34.5?
34.7.
Oh my.
34.8.
Oh, you missed it by 10 cents.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I was 34.80. Look at this. May you rot in hell. And the bottom line, oh Jesus, look at this. There's nothing worse than that. Look at that. S&Ps and NASDAQ should get another push down here to the belongs. Okay. Now the ADX is still, let's see, 37.25. All right. Anybody short that gold there? 34.80. Pox, I know, or you and all your ancestors. I did not give investment advice. I said I would be buying the market. I didn't give investment advice. Okay. I said I would be backing up the truck. So when these people called me, I said, what do I do? Do I sell? I said, I can't tell you what to do, but if it was me, I'd buy everything. Okay. There you go. Got the short, made 5.15. There you go. Come on, everybody. You got to hit the like button. Let's go. Hit the likes button. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? All right. Denny, you make reservations yet for December 20th? Let's go. Denny.
Not yet, Steven. They haven't been, sorry, my camera's all fuzzy. But they haven't been answering the phone.
I know. It's so hard. Oh, I'm exhausted. All right. So one of the, look at this gold. Jesus, Mary. NASDAQ, again, if you're short S&Ps, look to cover 73.5, 75 if you're still scalping shorts. Gold was a pattern. This gold's going to get kabooshed here. This is a monster bear flag here, getting overbought into these negative MACDs. When these 15-minute time frames do this and go, look out below. That's a monster bear flag right there. Okay, Mr. Gold. Oh, look at this. Come on, Jesus. Down $4. Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, my. I'm sick to my stomach. Then I lowered it to 34.5. Okay. Big. Gold has been a great long. I don't know. I think that was a great short. 1, 2, 3. Missed this one by 20 cents. Why are you scared of gold? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Okay. How could the market, first of all, the PE ratio, I think is what, 28? What's the PE ratio right now? 28? Silver long wick down. Let me see. Oh, it's a buy. The 15 reversed to buy here. The lows are in, right? The 15 reversed to buy. The lows are in right here. Let me see the 30-minute. Negative. The MACD is positive. You got to 60. I short this silver here. This silver just dropped 10. Another push up on silver. You see the ADX is rising on gold. Or every time the 3-minute time frame pulls in, you got to look to buy it. S&Ps, NASDAQ making new highs here. All right. Be hydrated. Yeah, I've been drinking a lot of water. I have to drink 100 ounces of water a day. That's what my doctor told me. I drink like 3 of these. The market will go up and hit the PE ratio of 200 like Tesla. I doubt that. Okay, so how many people think the S&Ps will be all-time highs this year? Okay, so that's not really that far away, actually, right? So let's look at the weekly here on the S&Ps. So the S&P's weekly is what, 69.52, if I'm not mistaken, 53 3/4. So we're only about what, 80 away? Definitely, right? Just don't do drugs and trade. Never. Absolutely never do that. Don't drink and trade. Don't do drugs and trade. And you got to work out. You got to really just stay healthy. That's how I look at it. You think we're going to hit all-time highs by the end of the year? I think so. I went all in on Oracle. What did Oracle do? Let me see. ORCL. What's all in? The stock is, are you long at 345 or are you long here at 185, Oracle? Biggie, can't you see? All right. All right. Here. All those pullbacks on the 3-minute. No, you don't do drugs, period. I don't know. I don't, at least. I don't, at least. All right. Very quiet. I think silver. Let's look at silver here on the longer term chart. Look at this. Look at this. Oversold. Okay, now, I mean, this is when I need to show you this, okay? Do you guys see this MACD? Do you guys see this beautiful MACD, yellow over blue here? You see this ADX rising like this? Look at this monster bull flag. Oversold, positive MACD, positive divergence 1. Oversold, big buying pressure, positive divergence number 2. Oversold into a rising ADX. Look at this weekly. 46.14. Silver up 13 cents. $13. Okay, 13. So one day, this is a true story, I started following the ADX, right? And you feel exhausted every day trading? Well, you got to pace yourself. S&P news highs were not confirming daily MACDs on short play. Yes. So one day, S&Ps and NASDAQ could maybe start dropping here. The ADX is on the 15 are not rallying. So one day, I was looking at the New Zealand dollar, NZD USD. I never forget this trade as long as I live. And the daily had the identical same pattern. So I called a friend of mine, right? And I said, I'm watching this ADX. This is many years ago, many moons ago, 8-9 years ago. Okay. And I said, this New Zealand dollar is going to explode. And he said to me, there's no chart up? What do you mean there's no chart up? I see a chart. Aaron, this ain't no chart up. Okay. I don't know. Anyway, can you all see the chart? Okay. So anyway, I called him up and I said, this ADX, this New Zealand dollar ADX, it looks amazing. Okay. And it got this push down here. Okay. And next thing I know, he calls me. He said, I'm going to buy some New Zealand dollar here, NZD USD. I don't know. 3 days later, I think it went from, this was years ago, 78 to like 85. That's a monster move. We're 86. It's just unbelievable. Okay. Okay. Can you see the chart now, everybody? Aaron, can they see it on our SK Trading YouTube? So again, look at this gold drop. Jesus, $5. Can you all see the chart now? Right? Okay. All right. Anyway. Okay, thank you, Aaron. So this here, you got oversold into a positive MACD. That's positive divergence number 1. Oversold into a monster rising ADX. That's positive divergence number 2. Oversold into this big buying diverge right here. The yellow dots nowhere touching the moving average. And look what silver is, 46 and change. Look at this, up 13. Okay, 46 up to 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 within 8 bars. Now, okay, but I want to just tell you, if you learn how to use the ADX properly in your trading and you start seeing things like this on the 5-minute up and or down, okay, it really will help your trading. I'm just being honest with you. If you look at the monthly, look at the monthly ADX rising. Look at this. Look at the yellow dots, the price within the algorithm. All right. Now, I mean, you are a little bit overextended. I'm not expecting a pullback of 16 cents. That'll be like a bear market. But I'm just telling you, okay, I'm just telling you here and now, okay, that when you see these ADXs rising like this, it's a monster move. Okay. Okay. All right. Everybody, welcome Jose Wood. Happy birthday. Jose, not Wood. I'm sorry. Jose's birthday. Yes. Silver is getting very volatile at the end of the year. Now, silver just reversed the buy on the 15. You got to buy this pullback here. If this silver pulls in down to 64, 54, 64 range, I would buy it here. S&P's making new highs. NASDAQ making new highs. The ADX is now 41 on the 5-minute. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Gold really doing nothing here. Let's see if the silver just pushed up 6 cents. The silver should, but MACDs are positive from below the pivot, but you're in a buy reversal, sell disconnect. Silver is still negative. That's why I said look to short the silver up here. We never got to hit 87 yet. The silver is still negative on the 30, and silver is still negative here on the 60. But these MACDs are positive, so. But you got to go with the fact that you could take this buy reversal because the MACDs are positive here. S&Ps should drop here. NASDAQ should drop one more time. Okay, let's see if the silver right here on the 3-minute. You'll get another chance. Let's just see. Gold just got cabooshed $5. Okay, gold just got cabooshed 5. All right. All right. So, with that being said, anybody have any questions here tonight? Anybody? Anybody have any questions here tonight? Silver, gold, S&Ps, NASDAQ futures, even oil. Oil making new lows here tonight. Now, again, if you guys are trading, okay, the RTYs, the diamonds, the S&Ps, the NASDAQ futures, gold, oil, you need to look at the underlying ETFs, okay? Michael Lenz, you got $3 on the gold short. Good job. Okay. Crude is a short then. I got to look at the crude. Let me see. Crude, let me see. Crude just reversed to sell on the 15. What's the 30? About to reverse to sell. This reverses to sell, then I would say yes. Okay. What's the 60? Still bullish. I would wait for any bounces on crude to get short. Okay. So if you see this push up here today in crude, right here, look at this new high at 615, 58, 59.80. Where's the price action making new highs into the negative MACD here? Okay. Netflix what? Who's NFLX? What are we asking here? Netflix cabooshed. Look at this pencil down on Netflix. All right. Let's see this 30. Oh, Netflix is going to get. All right. Now, because the MACDs are positive, so any push down should make a higher low here. Okay. Gold 10,000 this year, not happening. Gold 5,000 next year, could be. Not 10,000 this year. With 17 days to go, no. I don't see 10,000. I don't see 10,000. Again, if you're part of my social media on X, Instagram, and TikTok, please go to my SK Trading YouTube and subscribe. Please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Okay. Please go to my YouTube channel, SK Trading YouTube. All right. S&P's had that low of 62 right around the 7 o'clock. And then you saw these 15-minute time frames right here, deeply, deeply oversold. Hey, I have a question for somebody. Anybody know what the hell happened at 2 o'clock today? Anybody? When they got cabooshed here? Anybody? Anybody have an idea what the hell happened there? Biggie. Can't you look at this gold down 7? Oh my God, 34.6. Why? Oh, all right. And wait, it's going lower because when these 15-minute time frames get kabooshed, what happened? Are you crazy? Look at this. S&Ps were trading 68.65. They dropped to 36.29 and run 26. Do I think? Yes, I do think, but I think you get a pullback first on the 5 and then the 15. NASDAQ ran right now about 70, I think, 80 since the 7 o'clock. Okay. This was some great short in gold. I told you this is a monster bear flag, and then you get the wait till these 15s roll over. And you go like that. Oof, they're finished. Completely finished here. All right. What time is it? 9:21. All right.
Giveaway?
What? The giveaways, you sign up? 9:45.
Yeah, I know. Like, did he post it?
He does it every night from 8:30 to 9.
Okay.
Anybody new here? Ed Scalper, how are you? Alex Q3E. If you're new on the top, what's your target on gold? We are now. I was looking to. We caught this short. I missed this short. Gold going to get killed. S&P's way overbought here now. 95, 98 overbought reading. I wouldn't be long here with your money right now. I would wait for a really decent pullback here on the 5 minute, on the 15. They should drop here. NASDAQ and S&P should pull in. Maybe info on Fed balance sheets got leaked at 2 p.m. Somebody said Putin made a comment. I didn't see anything. 3 days here, step trades. Do you have a Discord? Yes, I do. You got to be part of. If you want a 5-day free trial, you can check it out. There's a link above. I don't know, that move was wild. That move was completely wild. All right. Silver and gold. Let me see here if I could type. I think this silver should get one more push up here. I think this silver could be bought here. I called a short up here on the 15 against the 30 and 60, but I think this silver can be bought here. 49.59 range. Oh my God, look at this gold down $8. Wait till these 15s roll over. So this is the first pullback on the 5. We should get one more push up on silver, and then you should get another push down on silver on the 15 here. Look at this gold. Oh my God, that's a set pattern. S&P should drop. NASDAQ should drop here. Should set up longs. Putin's in India. Hey, Bonita Beach, how are you? I want to invest in what? The market here? I would wait for a deeper pullback. Oh yeah. Papa Trump. Short on NASDAQ. I would just scalp a short, Aaron, in and out. Oh, I mean, this is like a monster steady decline for the last 46 points. Those ADX is rising. You see how powerful they are? You wait for pullbacks on the 3-minute. Let's see here. All right, we're going to do the raffle here at 9:45. My overlays, you can't get them yet. You have to subscribe to get them for me. Yes. Let's see here. I'm just going to take a couple mini scalp shorts here. I don't know. It must be crazy, but I might just scalp short some S&Ps here. Silver should get one more push up here. If you're long, look to sell 61 up to like 66, 67. Silver and gold. Anybody got long silver here? Gotta wait for another push up here. Oh man. Oh yeah. The silver, anybody get long that silver 57, 58, 50, 58, 59? Andrew, we're bidding 56 on and then get there. No, 57.5 was the low. Where's the Discord link for what? My live stream? You gotta sign up for the 5-day free trial. If anybody new here wants to text me or call me, I'll give you out you got the silver quick long. My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Can't believe that gold short missed it by 20 cents. That was the whole night right there. Oh man. Nasdaq 700. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
See if this market can drop here. Way overextended. 98 over what?
Yeah, it is.
98 overbought reading on the 60, 95 on the 15. Oh my God. Wow. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you. So 57, what? What's that? 57.64. Silver? Andrew, what's that? Silver are you talking? Why are you shorting it down there? What? Something happened to my screen.
Order filled.
The heck is going on here? Yeah,
Order filled.
I'm short 80.5. I'm short 10 micros. way overbought here. You know that?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Done. I don't know. Sold them 80 and a halves. Made 350. Oh, you made 6 cents. Sold S&Ps 80 and a half. Bought them back 79, 9 and a quarter, 9 and a half. Not bad. You see that? You short any up there, good buddy?
Maybe I was catching the bounce on gold there.
All right. NASDAQ just dropped. S&Ps. I just shorted them. I shorted 10 micros up there. Did you, Julian?
Yeah, yeah. I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good job, Andrew Knapp. Made 350 on the silver. Good job. Oh, you said you were long. So what happened? I'm short.
You still got an order of mine up there.
Yeah, no, thank you. I got to cancel. Thank you. That's what I did last night. Forgot about everything. Let's see here. Silver should kaboom now. I said I'd be buying silver. I would have bought it. I don't know if you guys got long. 58.59. 58.59. Andrew, good job, Andrew Knapp. Up 350. S&Ps just got kabooshed. The high was 81. I said enough is enough. I'm shorting it. 98 overbought reading. I would have kept this, but, you know, we're on for a long time here now. All right. Again, if you're new, I have a website, sktrading.live. Look at these S&Ps, 3 handles down. Okay. Isaac just made 2,000. Good job. My SK overlays are on TradingView, but you have to subscribe to the website. You have to subscribe to me. Be careful being long gold. Look at the 15s rolling over here. Okay. Anybody short the NASDAQ or S&Ps? NASDAQ just dropped 20. I told you the S&Ps, 98 overbought reading, kaboom and kaboom. Okay? We're falling on the S&Ps. Super 098, Super 098. Wow. Okay. You're still short the NASDAQ. I would, Captain Price, I would lower your stops. You made $40, Augustorio. Let's go, everybody. Come on. Where's Bo Barbie? Bo Barbie got short. I know she got short up there. I said enough is enough. I'm short. Andrew Knapp, that was an easy layup on the S&Ps on that one. Come on, Andrew. Silver just rallied 7 cents here. Silver and gold. Oh, my God. S&Ps down 3.5. How'd you miss that? David, how'd you do, David P? David? Oh, wow. Up 200. Good job, David. I'm proud of you, brother. That's a great job, David. That's a great job. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. You took 2 contracts, Andrew, on that NASDAQ short. I don't trade the NASDAQ. I could if I want, but I just trade the S&Ps. First time watching, everybody welcome David, first time watcher. Very good. And again, anybody new, I have a 5-day free trial. Overboard fishing team made 120 on gold tonight. Good job. I mean, we had about 5 or 6. Look at this silver up 11 cents. Come on, Andrew. Jesus, Andrew. 57, 58. Come on. All right, good job. I believe you are AI. Nope, I'm not. Okay. I wish I was, because I'll be on the couch with my dog watching the football game. Let's see here. Okay. All right. In 10 minutes, Denny's going to do the giveaway. Oh, my God. All right. Anybody outside? Yeah, I used to trade, then switch to NASDAQ. Need to switch back. I think Niki Hamaritsa, I'm a new subscriber. Welcome. I hope I can say your name properly. I think you get a pullback first on the 15-minute time frame, and then you get to push up to 25,745. Be careful being long gold here, please. Okay, new subscriber. I have an accent? You think I have an accent? Bonita Beach, really? Wow. Andrew Knapp is up 1,000 for the night. Go get him, Andrew. That's what I'm talking about, Andrew. Andrew came to visit me a couple times and once, right? Andrew's an old guy, well, not old, a young guy, but old school. Used to work on the floor. Look at this silver. Oh my God, Andrew, right? And Andrew, at the end of the night, he'd stay with me, and next thing you know, I'm getting a bowl of cereal, and what's Andrew doing? Pouring a Johnny Walker Black. Damn. I'm like, here I'm having my bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just so happy. I'm just chilling, right? And Andrew's like, yeah, SK. Like, take it easy on my Johnny Walker Black, Andrew, you know? Pretty funny, though. I'm not a Florida man yet. Are you bananas, Jameson? Nah. I had Macallan once, and Zachary got me a Macallan. I got slaughtered on one drink of Macallan. I can't drink that. Andrew, when you get here, you're going to have some Macallan because I got like 5 bottles. I can't drink that stuff. You drink Macallan?
I don't drink anything.
Really? Beer? Just beer?
Beer.
All right. Well, anyway, so the ADXs, this is actually in really should be a good long here on the S&Ps for one more push up. Andrew Hockin. No, not you. Andrew Knapp. Not you, Andrew Hockin. There's more than one Andrew in the world. You know that, right? All right. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. All right. Look at this silver. Andrew, 57 and 20 cents in silver. Do you know people would cut their left arm off for 20 cents in silver? Are you freaking bananas, Andrew? Oh my God almighty. This silver is an animal with a capital A. Mikey Jacques. I want to see Mikey Jacques trade silver one day. I'll trade silver with you guys one day. What was your badge? No, Andrew. Knapp? N-A-P-P? Was it just your badge on the floor was Knapp? Yes, Andrew. 914-500-7484. Anybody who wants to give me a call or talk to me, you can text me. Napa? Anybody could text me or call me. Just text me. 914-500-7484. I return everyone's call, everyone's text, and I speak to everybody. All right. What time is it? 4 minutes until the drawing. I hope somebody wins here. Ha! My keyboard is stuck. No, the funniest one is my mouse got stuck. Come on. Right?
Who do you think's going to win, Steven?
Let's see. Who am I think? I think Wink is going to win tonight. I'm going to think maybe Mr. MLC could win. I think Fox F could win. I think, let's see here. Bonita Beach could win. Silence Wins could be one of the, could be. I should write a book. That's what I really should do. I should write a book. Ed Scalper could win tonight. Dario could win tonight. Powers 737. I should write a book. The craziest things that I've seen in my life in this 43 years.
Write a biography.
I should, right? The things I endured, the things I had to, the trades, I still remember trades. Jesus. All right. Are you guys ready for the raffle? In 4 minutes. I hope all of you signed up. Okay. And anybody here, please take advantage of this 5-day free trial to my live stream. Okay. All right. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And again, I want to thank MyFundedFutures, seriously, for hosting this. I mean, well, for sponsoring this. I'm hosting it. I'm sorry, a little tired. But no, I'm not shorting the gold. Not yet. I really want to thank Luke, Matt, of course, Denny, Ash, and I'll be next week. I'll be going live from Monday to Friday on MyFundedFutures from 10:30 to 11:30. So please lock in there. All right. Really excited. Luke and I, good friends for many, many moons. And Denny, it's been a pleasure. Denny, I can't wait to have dinner with you on December 20th. Hopefully, I'm gonna try tomorrow. I must have tried 6 times. I can't get through.
I'm gonna try again as well tomorrow.
Oh my God, you're yawning?
Hey.
Hey.
I get up at 7 and I don't go to bed till 2 a.m. So I get 5 hours of sleep a night.
No. Andrew Knapp is alive and well. Andrew Knapp just made $1,000 tonight. All right. Look at this silver. If this silver touches 50, 80, 87 and a half, is up 30 cents. Denny, you ever trade silver?
I have traded silver.
It's an animal.
It is.
You catch the right pattern in silver. So this silver here, let me just teach you this pattern. You got the MACD's positive on the 15. You got the MACD's positive here on the 30s. You got the MACD's positive here on the 60s here, right? But I am looking for maybe one more push down though. But if this silver ever reverses here on the 30 and the 60-minute time frame, you could be looking at 59.5, 60 on silver. Okay. I mean, anybody get that silver here? I mean, I'm not saying you caught 30 cents, but do you see this? This is what's called a buy reversal in a sell disconnect. That means, oh my good Lord, God Almighty. Yeah, you still long the gold, good buddy?
No.
Kicked it out. I thought it was going to go lower, off the 15s.
I just got a little scalp short off the top of that silver, though.
You made 600 on silvers. That's a great job, Wink. Gold to the moon, not so fast there. Silver to the moon. Do you guys know when you're when you're trading silver during the day? Do you know what ETF you should be looking at during the day? Anybody know? The SLVs. The SLVs. Okay, 220 on silver. Good job. All right, it's time, Denny, for the wheel. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
By the way, I would short some S&P. I would short some gold here, 35.5 to 40.5 range, 40.5, 41. Let's see. This silver is out of control here.
Jennifer Cross, are you here?
Oh my God, Jennifer! Great job, Jennifer in the house. This silver has got to be shorted up here, though. 92 to 02 range, 93 to 03 range, silver for a push down. Let's see. Jennifer's in the house. Is Jennifer? Jennifer, come on, claim that prize, Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Jennifer. Oh, Jennifer. Jennifer, don't fail me. Should I text her? Or is that cheating?
If you can text her, we can't add her, so. See if she responds. Give her 30 seconds, like I give everybody else. Got to keep it fair.
Look at this silver gold.
Let's see, where is this? 10 seconds, Jennifer. Jennifer.
Danny, she said she's here and she's acknowledging you.
Where? I don't see her.
She just texted me.
Is it Jenny Drake? Because if so, that is not the right name.
She just texted. She says, I'm trying to tell him I'm here. Jenny got caboose, not so fast.
It's Jenny Drake?
No, it's Jenny Cross.
No, but Jenny Drake keeps commenting saying here in the
No. All right, if this gold, look to cover this gold anywhere 31.5, 34.5 range. Silver, look to cover silver anywhere between the 85 and 91 range if it drops here.
All right, Peter. Peter, are you here? I see you, Peter.
Here goes the silver. Come on, drop gold. Come on, drop.
BB, are you here, BB?
Look to cover the silver here anywhere between the 87 and 92 range if you're short. Look at this gold drop. There you go. That's how you end the night. That's how you end the night.
Yeah, I missed the gold short by 2 ticks.
You did? Again? Where do I see gold going? When? Tonight?
No BB, huh?
Tomorrow? What a long in this silver. Good Lord God. Oh, my God.
Diane, I think that's how you say name. Diane.
Diane who?
Diane, ZAHM. Hey, I see you.
Diane's here?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Look at this gold. This gold's a short.
That's number 3. That's number 2. We got 3 more to go. Parisha Trades, are you here? Overboard Fishing Team said he caught that silver short.
Long, you mean?
No, they said short.
Short here or caption? Yeah, here. Got it. It should drop
Hey,
here.
Parisha Trades.
Gold and silver should drop here.
Martin Schutz. Martin Schutz, are you here?
Hey, Martin, I know Martin. Come on, Martin. Claim that. 9 minutes to go here.
Martin, I see you.
Look to cover this silver anywhere from the 87 to 94 range. Look at the gold. This gold is going to drop here. Look at the silver drop. The silver, what happened to my lights? Can they jump up and down?
SNAXXX.
They pay the electric bill. All right. Come on, gold and silver. Let's go. All right. Oh.
Yeah, I know why I have such a rough time with silver. It's 25 tick.
Oh, look at that silver go. Look at that gold. Cover this gold below 35 and a half. I cover this gold. Look at this thing drop. You short?
Yeah, I done covered it.
Just now?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Look at this silver drop. Come on, give me another 4 cents on silver. Let's go. Are you done, Denny?
Now I got one more because Snacks wasn't here. Todd Timmons. Todd Timmons, are you here? That's a normal name.
That's a normal name, is right. Come on, silver. Just drop. Gold just got caboose. I'd be covering shorts in gold here. Brinks, you got that short in the gold? Good job. This silver is an animal. This silver is up 40 cents in 10, 20, 30 minutes.
Hey, Todd Timmons, I see you.
There you go. Here, I'll tell you guys right now, if this silver takes out, oh my God, this silver takes out and closes at 10 o'clock above this 57.99, and you buy the next pullback, this silver is going to 58.30, then 58.50. Jesus, that was a loud.
Excuse me.
There you go. Good Lord. You woke up half of the country on that one. All right. What'd you make 1,600 on? CDK 2023. Wow. On the gold short, good job. Great job. Now, here's a strategy here. If silver reverses the buy here at 10 o'clock and we stay above this 57.99 level right here, you can see it. You're going to be in the buy disconnect. Okay. The strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 5, and then the second pullback, you buy on the 15. You buy the 15-minute oversold. This silver is going to freaking explode. Okay. Wow. Look at that, Brinks. The best week of trading you ever had. Oh my God. I'm so proud of you. Look at this. I got to post that. That's amazing. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Look at this. One of my guys, 900, 400, 700, 1,000, 400, $3,700 for the week. That's why I do this. Okay. That's why I want everybody to succeed here. Okay. Look at this gold. Look at this. Right. All right. We got about 4 minutes, Denny. So if this silver reverses the buy, which I don't know if it's going to, at 10 o'clock, the strategy would be to buy the first pullback on the sequence. You buy the first pullback on the 5-minute, which means you want an oversold condition on the 5. The second strategy would be you want to buy the next pullback on the 15. You see this bull flag? That's exactly why. If you're short this silver, just look to cover here between 90 and 95, 96. Okay. So again, if you see this pattern, I'm looking for a pattern like this or something even like this here if this 30-minute reverses the buy. So the first strategy is you buy the first pullback on the 5, the second pullback on the 5 and the 15-minute time frame. All right. Okay. All right. I want to say thank you to Aaron. Thank you. He's been a godsend. Thank you to MyFundedFutures for sponsoring tonight. It's been a long day. I've been doing this since 6 o'clock in the morning. All right. S&Ps cabooshed off the 81 level, dropped about 6. Again, I told you the 15s are going to roll over. So, but I'll be looking for a buy here soon. All right. NASDAQ dropped about 40, 35, 40. All right. Again, I want to say thank you to MyFundedFutures. Thank you to Luke, Ash, Matt, the whole team, Joe, everyone. And of course, the man of the hour, Denny. All right. And I'll be seeing Denny in 2 weeks and breaking bread with him. All right.
Looking forward to it.
And again, Aaron is the best. Everybody, a big shout out to Aaron. Aaron's in Hawaii. Okay. He'll be here Sunday for the whole week with me. Okay. So I want to say thank you to all of you. Have a great, great, great day trading tomorrow. Remember, always use stop orders, no revenge trading. Don't be your own worst enemy. And most important, be consistent. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. And of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.